Currency Games here with another video. Today we're going to go over our daily log, for Euro, USD, Eurgbp. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe so we can continue offering this good content for you guys. Okay, so going into the price action today, as you can see, we just mainly continued bearish down towards this area here that we've been talking about on Euro, USD. And no trades for me today. To be fair, a level that did hold, to be fair, was this order block, but we were in such a discount, I wasn't really interested in taking it. I was hoping for more of a retracement into more of a premium before going short, but nonetheless we're just sitting on our hands and waiting for that prime opportunity to get into the market. As we've tapped this breaker zone here, I will be interested to see how we react off this zone, especially this refined zone down here, because that is that weekly level we were discussing earlier. So we'll be interested to see whether we break down and take out this low, or whether we respect this level here on a weekly time frame and continue to push it upwards, maybe to attack this high one more time. Okay, but as of right now, we're just waiting for the right PA to get us in line with the market. We have created this daily fair value gap here. That's, well, it's not created yet, to be fair, but by the end of today I'm expecting to close the daily fair value gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here and put FVG and move my point of interest down to this FVG here. So that is like a very interesting area where we could possibly see some sort of nice price action inside that coming in tomorrow. So that is what I'm looking at for Euro USD, seeing what happens within this area here. Going into Eurgbp. Now, Eurgbp, you can see we've started to retrace lower, or we've not retraced lower yet, but we've made a fractal high up here. We also have a fractal low down here, so we've kind of started to put in structure on a daily time frame. Okay, now going down to the H4, a setup that was quite interesting to me today was this order block here and this little fair value gap that we were arrested just below the order block. Now, I was looking at a draw for this H1 FVG, as this H1 FVG was in the discount of this H4 range from this high to this low. But going down into the time frames and the M15, there wasn't really that clean entry. Okay, we also we had hit this H1 FVG before hitting this H4 FVG up here, but it was bearish for the day, so we can't really complain there. In hindsight, a good entry possibly could have been OT from this low to this high, but it's always, in hindsight, everything's gonna look clean. But no trade was taken today, but we're looking at this H4 fair value gap as a possible playoff going into tomorrow. Now, on the daily time frame, we do have two fair value gaps, one here and one here. Now, if you remember us saying that this fair value gap here is about next to this weekly order block. Now, the only reason I'm marking out this daily fair value gap is because at the end of the day, it's a daily level, and I always want to be aware when we're trading into a daily level. And what we could see play out tomorrow is possibly a play into that. But ideally, I'd want to see price reach down here to this fair value gap. But as of right now, I don't have a clean. Actually, saying that, we do have this up here. I didn't realize this. Okay, if you look at this, we have a bit of micro structure within the main H1 structure. I might do a video on that micro structure, well, parent structure and child structure. That the concept I can use for myself. I'm not sure if other people use it, but something I like to use. So if you see here, this H1 swing here, that kind of parent swing, and then inside that you have like a child swing within the parent swing. So it's a swing within a swing, if that makes sense. And this H1 area here will be interested to see if we can push up into it, then push down into the daily fair value gap that we're literally resting above, considering we have equal lows there as well. But that'll be all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, and we'll catch you again next time.